In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new line for your Instagram bio. So if you want to add a bio with multiple lines, then it's actually really easy to do. So first just head over to your Instagram profile and click on the Edit Profile button. You could then click on Bio, and then you can go and type out the first line of your bio. Now, in order to add another line, just click on 1, 2, 3 in the bottom left-hand side. You'll then see the return key in the bottom right-hand side, and you can go and click on this to start a new line. And as you can see, I can now go and type a second line. You can then press done in the top right-hand side. And if you head back over to your Instagram bio, you can see we now have two different lines. Now, if it's not working, you can always go and open up the Notes app on your phone. You can then go and create your Instagram bio in Notes. And then once you're finished, just go and copy the entire bio. You can then head back over to Instagram, and then you can just go and paste everything you copied from the notes into Instagram.